Welcome. Today, we're walking through the simple steps to change the country linked to your account on X, previously known as Twitter, using the new update on PC. If you've moved to a new location or simply need to update your account settings, this guide will make everything quick and easy. First, open the Twitter app on your PC. Once it's loaded, look to the left side menu and click the More icon. This will open a small list of extra options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Next, inside the Settings menu, go to Your Account. This section holds your main account details. Click on Account Information to continue. Depending on your account's security settings, you might be asked to enter your password. Simply type it in to confirm your identity before moving on. Now, you'll see different fields about your account. Find the one labeled Country. Click into it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various country options. Choose your new country from the list. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one to avoid any issues with location-based features, such as tailored trends or account-specific settings. Once you've made your choice, look for the button that says Agree and Continue. Click it to save your changes. Your account will now reflect the newly set country, and location-related features will update automatically to match your selection. This update makes managing your account location faster and more intuitive, with fewer steps and a cleaner layout. Whether you're traveling, relocating permanently, or just updating your preferences, knowing how to adjust your country ensures the content and settings you see are relevant to where you are. That's all it takes, just a few clicks, and your account on X is set to the right country. Keep this tip handy so you can update your settings anytime you need.